Turmeric, the magic golden root that has been around for centuries, used commonly in South Asian cuisines and traditional medicine, is nothing less than a gift from nature to mankind. Its active component, curcumin, is a compound packed with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Due to its wide-ranging benefits, it has a lot of popularity in holistic medicine and naturopathy. The magical yellow powder comes from the rhizome of the turmeric plant, which is then boiled and dried to yield the beneficial turmeric powder. Turmeric is full of antioxidants, which means it is very important in combating the oxidative stress inflicted in our body by free radicals. It activates the genes responsible for protection against wear and tear. Not only this, studies have shown that it also shields the cell from damage. Turmeric stimulates the action of various chemicals in our body, like glutathione, an important constituent of tissue repair pathways, immune system functions, protein synthesis, etc. Turmeric works wonders for our brains. It can play an important role in preventing stroke because it decreases plaque formation in the body while also decreasing lipids. According to research, turmeric can significantly reduce synapse loss, which is the leading cause of the acceleration of Alzheimer's disease. It also decreases the buildup of amyloids, slowing the disease's progression. Besides this, turmeric has a significant role in improving or delaying various neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's disease. Studies have shown that turmeric might protect the nervous system from the toxins that cause neurodegeneration and Parkinson's disease. Turmeric boosts our mental health. Backed by research, turmeric has been proven to improve mental health by improving the symptoms of depression in people who consume turmeric regularly as opposed to those who did not. A certain protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor is diminished during depression. Curcumin has proven to significantly raise BDNF levels, improving the symptoms of depression, sometimes even at par with modern medicine. The phytonutrients in turmeric reduce feelings of negativity. If you suffer from anxiety, you could benefit from a hot cup of turmeric tea. Turmeric makes your heart healthy. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric reduces oxidative stress, leading to decreased cholesterol or lipid levels. It also lowers blood pressure, promoting healthy body function. According to the Cleveland Clinic, turmeric can lower the risk of heart disease due to its ability to combat inflammation and oxidation. As mentioned earlier, turmeric reduces plaque formation in the body, so it has a major role in diminishing the effects of obesity-related inflammation. Turmeric also protects the endothelial lining or inner layer of the arteries, which is crucial to maintain good blood pressure levels. Turmeric is an adaptogen. According to Merriam-Webster, an adaptogen is a non-toxic plant extract that increases the body's strength to combat the damaging effects of stress while promoting normal physiological functioning. Turmeric is one of the most widely used adaptogens. It improves various mood disorders and cognitive disorders while fighting the deteriorating effects of stress on our bodies. Turmeric fortifies our immune system. It is known to have a variety of antimicrobial properties. It is antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, and antiparasitic. This may be why turmeric has been used religiously in traditional medicine. It is known to mimic the effect of allopathic medication in certain infections. Turmeric is anti-cancerous. One of the most researched aspects of turmeric is its role in preventing cancer. Curcumin reduces the risk of cancer spread, also known as metastasis, by inhibiting angiogenesis, like the blood flow to cancer cells. A study has shown that turmeric consumption led to a marked decrease in colorectal cancerous lesions. Other than this, curcumin potentiates the effect of chemotherapy, yielding better treatment results. However, it must be remembered that turmeric is not an alternative to chemotherapy. Turmeric promotes healthy lung function. It is deemed one of the most commonly used natural remedies for treating cough at home. It heals congestion and is beneficial for chest infections. A warm cup of milk with a pinch of turmeric at night can help you get a good night's sleep while improving your sore throat symptoms. Turmeric is liver-friendly. It can protect the liver from fat formation, which may give rise to fatty liver disease. It also protects from fibrosis, defined as thickening or scar formation. Apart from these, curcumin can increase the production of bile salts, which aids in the normal regulation of the digestive system. It also supports healthy liver detoxification while protecting it against damage from free radicals, alcohol, toxins, and waste byproducts. Curcumin improves endocrine function. Due to its anti-inflammatory characteristics, turmeric can regulate healthy blood sugar levels in diabetics as it can make insulin more sensitive, thereby decreasing insulin resistance, which in turn yields better blood sugar control. It also decreases the inflammatory side effects of diabetes and prevent those who are pre-diabetic from progressing to full-blown diabetes because of its effective blood glucose regulation. Turmeric promotes gut health. It protects the gut mucosa with its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, and hence it aids in digestion. By doing so, it prevents the development of autoimmune diseases as well as allergies. Studies have shown that curcumin can decrease the inflammation in ulcerative colitis, keeping the patient in remission. However, it should be noted here that it is not beneficial in case of an active flare-up. Turmeric eliminates damaged cells. It assists apoptosis, which is controlled cell death. This helps the body get rid of harmful cells. Turmeric relieves pain in chronic conditions. Taking turmeric extract may help lessen the pain associated with chronic ailments like osteoarthritis. It reduces inflammation while alleviating pain and discomfort in joints. A study revealed that taking turmeric was as beneficial as popping ibuprofen to reduce the pain and osteoarthritis of the knees. If a naturally occurring spice can keep you from popping pills while managing your symptoms, this is a win-win situation. It helps with muscle fatigue. Research showed that turmeric intake helped relieve the painful accumulation of lactic acid in muscles, which leads to muscle soreness. Sometimes, a strenuous workout or physical activity can give rise to DOMS or delayed onset muscle soreness. Not only does curcumin help with alleviating muscle fatigue, but it also prevents muscle fiber damage. Turmeric aids in weight loss. Turmeric increases the metabolism in our body, which can lead to improved digestion and weight management. It also decreases the lipid levels in our body, which means it prevents weight gain and obesity. Curcumin improves your skin. You must have heard of turmeric being used as an organic skincare ingredient. You will be amazed to learn how fabulous turmeric is for our skin. For starters, it fights acne as well as acne-causing bacteria with its antibacterial properties. It prevents skin cells from clumping. It inhibits the production of melanin, the hormone responsible for pigmentation in our body. This prevents hyperpigmentation. It also helps in correcting redness, unevenness, or skin tone irregularities. The anti-inflammatory effect of turmeric boosts its lightening effect and leads to brighter, radiant skin. Turmeric prevents premature aging as it boosts collagen production while inhibiting the elastase enzyme's effects, thus boosting the elastin in our skin. This helps in decreased visibility or formation of wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. Turmeric also plays its role in alleviating various skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, etc. Due to its anti-inflammatory effect, it can help manage psoriasis, etc. Studies have shown that skin wounds heal faster when turmeric is consumed. Turmeric improves male health. Around 15% of men experience libido in their lifetime. Due to its microcirculation boosting powers, turmeric can lead to increased blood flow, improving libido. Turmeric can also cause an increase in the levels of testosterone in males, which leads to a better sex drive. As mentioned before, curcumin is anti-cancerous. It has been hypothesized that turmeric intake can reduce the risk of developing prostate cancer. It stops the spread and growth of cancerous cells, so it can help treat prostate cancer. Turmeric is good for your scalp. Due to its antifungal characteristics, turmeric can help promote good scalp health while invigorating it. It is gentle on the skin but good enough to remove the buildup when used as an exfoliator, promoting good scalp health. We cannot stress how important this is for optimal hair growth. Turmeric is an easily available spice with many benefits and great nutritional value, both health-wise and taste-wise. However, it is important to remember to stay moderate and consume it in the recommended daily dose. Well, I hope you have learned a thing or two about this magic spice. If you want to know about the negative effects of too much turmeric, I have just the thing for you, so make sure to browse our channel to find more information about turmeric.